What is DeltaMath? DeltaMath is a website that provides students with online mathematics practice exercises to get full command over the subject and prepare well for academic quizzes, assignments, and tests. DeltaMath offers students a range of interactive and engaging features, including a diverse range of practice problems to identify their mistakes, a personalized learning experience as per their age and skill level, step-by-step solutions to problems so they can understand the reasoning behind each problem, timely feedback to identify weak areas, an extensive library of video lessons, and the freedom to access the application anytime, anywhere. Is DeltaMath free for teachers and students? Many people often wonder whether DeltaMath is a free resource or not. The answer is yes, but it depends on what features you want to access as a user. The basic version of the website is free. However, if you wish to use the advanced or customized features, you will have to pay their subscription fee.